Friends, in this video I will share about type 2 diabetes preventing oatmeal banana smoothie recipe. You can take this smoothie with the breakfast regularly. Taking these smoothies consistently, you will definitely get result. The benefits of this smoothie are like helps you to prevent type 2 diabetes and also helps to improve skin health and so on. There are other benefits also to use these smoothies. If you want to know details like actual benefits, nutrition values, ingredients, instruction and pro and cons of this smoothie, watch the video till to the end. So stay tuned. Let's check out type 2 diabetes preventing oatmeal banana smoothie recipe. Let's discuss some pros and cons of this smoothie. Asked questions number 1. Is this smoothie cause belly fat? Moderate banana consumption does not promote belly fat. Bananas can help you lose or maintain weight when eaten in moderation. Number 2. Who should avoid bananas? Certain drugs don't allow them. ACE inhibitors and spironolactone should not be taken with bananas. Harvard Medical School says they elevate blood potassium. Find out what precise benefits we can get from this smoothie. So, benefits are like prevents type 2 diabetes, rich in antioxidants, improves skin health, can relieve constipation. Nutrition value of this smoothie per serving: calories 197, fat 0 gram, cholesterol 0 mg, carbohydrate 32.2 gram, fiber 12 gram, sugar 0.7 gram, protein 3.9 gram. Let's see which ingredients required to make this smoothie. 1 cup uncooked oats, 2 tablespoons flaxseed, 2 chunks frozen banana, 3 cups skim milk, means fat-free. Procedure on how to make this smoothie. Place all the ingredients in a blender and blend on it about 30 seconds or until smooth. Give our video a thumbs up and subscribe our channel.